Yes, sir. You already know that your boy BH. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, I don't like to waste nobody time. So today we're gonna be touching bases on Zomedica. That's ticker symbol ZOM. We talked about this stock previously in the past videos. Y'all should be in this one. A lot of people, you should have already made money off of it. You should be able to ready to rinse and repeat. I sold my position and it right before the dip, and as it dipped, now I'm already started building back my position. I'm back in now, anticipating on the run up. We're gonna get into all that. We're gonna talk about the prediction on where we think this thing going. We're gonna talk about what the big dogs doing, see what their position is, and we're gonna talk about we're gonna look at the chart and stuff. So let's go ahead and get right into it. For the ones that didn't know, if you knew, it ain't too late. But this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing y'all the stocks that I get into, the stocks that I'm participating in, and you get in at your own risk. But these are all hot stocks. I'll help y'all along the way. I try my best to, show y'all guidance. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. Zomedica is an animal health company focused on meeting the needs of clinical veterinarians in ways that promote both patient and practice health. Our mission is to advance the effectiveness and financial well-being of veterinary practitioners by delivering professionally beneficial diagnostic products and services. So that's what they're about. So now let's go see what the news was. All right, let's go talk about the reasoning for Zomedica having this strong pullback as it did. So as we see, it's talking about it in the headlines. Zomedica stock tumbles on heavy volume after public stock offering, upside sevenfold due to demand. On February the 9th, that came out. So on February the 8th, right into closing, Zomedica had a public offering. For the ones that don't know, that's new to the market, majority of the time, all the time when a company have a public offering, that's giving that company more shares inside that company. So the more shares, that's like the less value of that company will be worth. So the more shares, the less value. So that'll make the stock drop in price. So that's what happened with Zomedica. It had a stock offering. And when a company have a stock offering, that usually pull their stock price back in value. So that's what happened. There's nothing to be afraid of, nothing to be scared of. And once we look at the chart, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. The chart never lies. I mean, the chart can lie, but from my predictions and from what y'all going to see and witness here, this stuff, I can't make this stuff up. You feel me? So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. Let's look at it and see what the big boys doing. So check this out. Active positions. They got increased positions, 27 holders, 18 million shares. Decreased position, 12 holders, 1.4 million shares. Held positions, 5. And we got a total institutional shares of 44. So you got increase of 27 and a decrease of 12. And held positions is 5. So we already know what they're telling us. They're hating in public, but they buying in private. You got more increased positions than decreased positions. Okay, y'all. Let's go and look at the chart. Boom. So today, we opened up in the pre-market around 220. Then we opened up at regular market hours at $2.40. Then we had a nice dip to 215. And then we regained ourselves to 233. Then we dropped a little to 225, 232, 225. We see we got that support right there at 225. Then we got to 240. We broke that 240 from previously morning. Once we broke that, that was set up for a bullish trend again. Then we consolidated around 231, 235 all day. Then we ended the day and after hours at $2.38. If we look back on the week, Zomedica was trading at $1.10. We got a nice staircase pattern. As it went up on the staircase pattern, we see every time it pulled back, it was just a little pullback. It held its gains very, very well. It kept holding its gains. Every day that it spiked up, it held its gains. It only pulled back just a couple cents. And then on February the 8th, that's when it had its offering. That's when we had a nice pullback all the way from 280 all the way to 215, like 70, 80 cents pullback. So then if we go back 3 months ago, it was trading at 25 cents. go back to the 5-year chart. Back in 2018, let's see what it do after it break 238. Once we break 238, we're gonna go over here to the beginning. As soon as it came on the stock exchange, 238. Once it break 238, we can fly off to that 298 to 3, basically. 298, that's $3. We can reach $3. Once you reach 3, we'll go to 4 and get to 5. Once you reach 5, that's the goal. That's when the big boys start getting in. That's when they start loading their boats. That's when Zomedica will be no longer a penny stock, and it'll be on their radars. So that's it. That's all I have today for you guys. You already know, if you like these type of predictions, these type of updates, you already know where to find me. Consider joining the family like this, and you already know. God bless y'all. We out.